And you can see the free shipping has been applied and the price changed to 0. So let's say I would like to create a free shipping only for certain products. And here Shopify recently added the simple checkbox saying offer free shipping. I also highly recommend to promote the free shipping on your storefront. Hey guys, Tom from Digismoothie, and in this video I will show you how to create a free shipping on your Shopify store. When it comes to free shipping, there are a couple of ways how to manage it in Shopify, and in today's video I will show you the most common ones, and also how you can limit the free shipping eligibility by spend, market, date, and products. The first and probably most common way how to create a free shipping is by going to your store admin, settings, shipping and delivery. Here you need to select your shipping profile and click on the add shipping option. If you want to offer free shipping for everyone, you'll select the rate type flat. But if you want to offer free shipping only for a certain spend, you'll need to select the order amount. And here you need to select what's the minimum threshold. So let's say I want to offer a free shipping from $20. And now I have a regular shipping for $10 and free shipping for all orders above $20. There's also a new, more elegant way how to achieve the same thing. So I will delete this option and I will click on the international shipping. And here Shopify recently added the simple checkbox saying offer free shipping. And it allows me to create the exact same thing. The only difference is that it's more simple and elegant because I have a one shipping method. I don't need to. Now let's say I would like to create a free shipping using the discount code. So I will go to my store admin discounts. I will click on create discount and I will select the free shipping. Here you'll need to enter the discount code, which customers will enter during the checkout. You can also here select countries for which the free shipping is applied. So you can select only customers in some countries, and you can also exclude shipping rates which are over a certain amount. You can set here additional requirements like minimum purchase amount. So again, I can enter $20 here, or minimum quantity of items. And you can also limit how many times the free shipping code will be used in total. So if you will put here 100, it could be used only 100 times in the checkout. And if you will also check this box, it means it can be used only once per customer. So in this case, 100 customers will be able to use this discount. I also recommend checking the product combinations and order discounts, because if you have any other discounts, you want your customers to combine them. And in the date, you can also select the start date and also the end date. So for example, if you are running a time-limited campaign, setting the end date makes sense so you won't forget to turn it off. Okay, so I just created the free shipping discount. And now let's test it in the store. So my spend is 10. I'm now in the checkout and you can see the shipping is paid. So let's add more products to reach the threshold. And you can see that once I'm over $20, the international shipping changed to free. Now I'm back to below $20 and I will try the discount code. And you can see the free shipping has been applied and the price changed to 0. And the other discount here is for the free item. And if I wouldn't check the product combinations, the discounts won't work together. So depending on your strategy, you can keep it or you can limit the eligibility for one of them. Another way of offering free shipping is the automatic discount. So instead of entering the coupon code manually, it will be applied automatically in the checkout. The rest is pretty much the same. So I will just save. And now once I get to the checkout, the discount should be applied automatically. And you can see the free shipping discount has been applied automatically. It's visible here, but customer doesn't see it here because it cannot be taken out from the order. Now the trickier part. So let's say I would like to create a free shipping only for certain products. For that, I actually cannot use the discount code because I cannot limit them to certain products. So I will go to settings, shipping and delivery, and I will create a new shipping profile. I will select products that will be part of the profile, which means products that I want to be shipped for free. So let's say the night cream product. I will add zones. which means countries that will be part of this shipping profile. And I will add shipping option. Okay, so we have a new profile with one product, and let's test it. For testing, I will also disable the automatic discount. And you can see that the night cream, which was the only product in the free shipping zone, is free, and the other product has a regular shipping rate. So if I would remove the other product and keep only the night cream, I have a free shipping. Keep in mind that only the products that are part of the profile will have the free shipping. So if you add any other product from not the profile, it will always have a standard shipping rate. Those were the most common ways how to create a free shipping in Shopify. I also highly recommend to promote the free shipping on your storefront. One of the best ways to do that is in your cart. So customer sees how much exactly is left to hit the free shipping threshold. And also he should see how to reach it. So we are offering relevant upsells here inside the cart. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to stay on top of Shopify, please subscribe to our channel.